What no one tells you about starting over at 60 or after 60. People assume after 60 you're done. But what no one tells you is starting over after 60 can be the smartest move you ever make. At 73, I refused to believe my story was over. I wanted freedom, to clear debt, and to finally bring my husband home from work. And I found a way, also for my fur babies. More people over 60 are starting online businesses than any other age group. That's fact. Technology has leveled the playing field. You don't need youth, tech skills, or huge audiences anymore, or even experience. The only thing you need, a willingness to learn and follow a proven system. 1, learn the basics of high-ticket digital marketing. 2, leverage tools that automate branding for you. 3, stay consistent 2 hours a day. Break it up to whenever it's convenient. The truth, you'll either be in the same place a year from now, or you'll be free too. That choice starts today, and it's your choice. I mentor people just like you, no matter your age, your background, or your skills. If you're ready to step into freedom, reach out to me now. It's never too late to start living the life you deserve. And I'm here to help you every step of the way. My fur babies will too.